Hello everyone, let's go to problem 38. Now problem 38, it's hard. I need to find out the number of real solutions for this one. And the problem is that log 2, the problem that we face is that we don't know whether we're going to have any extraneous solutions or not. Like plural or singular, we just got to check. So this is a log 2 of x to the power of 3, but not as an input, but we're taking the product of the outputs, and we get log 2 of x cubed, and that's going to be the product of the inputs. Now, here's the deal. If we have the product of inputs, we can always split it as a sum of the outputs. So that shall be 3 times log 2 of x. So in other words, log 2 of x can be added 3 times to come up with log 2 of x to the power of 3. That's a logarithmic properties. So we would like to call log 2 of x as y, like y cubed equals 3 times y. And I'm solving this, y cubed minus 3y equals 0. Please don't make y equal 0 yet. Just pull it out, and we get y squared minus 3 equals 0. So in other words, we have 3 possible cases to check. Number 1, and number 2, and number 3. So what are the 3 possibilities? Well, log 2 of x was y, so I'm going to say log 2 of x can be either 0, or log 2 of x can either be radical 3, and log 2 of x can be negative rad 3. Doesn't feel like we have any problem out there. And a good thing is that logarithmic function is one-to-one function. So if someone throws me the output, I can always find the input. So x equals 2 to the power of nil, and that becomes 1. One solution that works. What about x equals 2 to the power of rad 3? I have no idea how to compute this, but I know that this is still well defined. But what about x to the power of 2 to the power of negative root 3? Well, I can tell you this is just going to be 1 over 2 to the power of radical 3. And those are well defined. We got 3 solutions. We just found 3 solutions, but they're nice looking positive real numbers. Of course, these are horrendous looking positive reals, but it's still good. So we have 3 real solutions, and that shall be the answer.